Picture this. Open highway stretching out ahead of you. Wind in your face, but not beating you up. A comfortable seat beneath you. Saddlebags packed and ready. And a rumbling V-twin engine pulling you forward with that smooth, effortless power you've been craving. That's exactly what the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic LT was built to deliver. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at one of Kawasaki's most well-rounded cruisers. A bike that takes classic styling, adds serious touring capability, and wraps it all up in a package that's accessible, comfortable, and genuinely enjoyable to ride. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser rider or someone just stepping into the world of bigger bikes, stick around. Because this one might just be exactly what you've been looking for. So, what exactly is the Vulcan 900 Classic LT? Let's break it down. The LT stands for Long Tour, and that tells you everything you need to know about what this motorcycle is designed to do. It's built on Kawasaki's proven midsize cruiser platform, the same foundation that has made the Vulcan 900 Classic a trusted and beloved bike for years. But the LT takes things further. Where the standard Classic is a beautiful stripped-back cruiser, the LT arrives from the showroom already equipped for the open road. We're talking factory-fitted touring accessories, real, practical features that you'd otherwise have to buy separately and bolt on yourself. Think of it as the Vulcan 900 Classic, but with everything you actually need for a long weekend ride already included. It sits in that perfect middle ground, not too big, not too small. Relaxed enough for daily commuting, capable enough for extended highway journeys, and stylish enough to turn heads wherever you park it. At the heart of the Vulcan 900 Classic LT is a 903cc liquid-cooled V-twin 4-stroke engine. And before you ask, yes, it sounds as good as it looks on paper. This engine was never designed to be a fire breather. It's not chasing lap times or drag strip records. What it is designed to do is deliver smooth, consistent, relaxed power exactly when you need it. That long-stroke V-twin character means strong, low-end, and mid-range torque, the kind of effortless pull that makes highway cruising feel completely natural and unhurried. Fueling is handled by digital fuel injection, Kawasaki's DFI system, which ensures clean, smooth throttle response in all conditions. Cold starts, hot days, high altitude. The DFI system keeps everything running perfectly. Power is sent through a 5-speed manual transmission to a belt final drive system. Now, belt drive is one of those features that touring riders absolutely love. It's quieter than a chain, smoother than a chain, and requires significantly less maintenance than a chain. No frequent lubrication, no constant tension adjustments, just clean, reliable power delivery, mile after mile after mile. Let's talk about how this bike handles and what keeps you comfortable over long distances. Up front, you have telescopic forks, a proven and reliable setup that soaks up road imperfections smoothly without feeling harsh or twitchy. Out back, Kawasaki fitted their Uni-Trak hidden shock system. Now, hidden rear shocks are a classic cruiser design choice. They keep the clean, traditional aesthetic intact while still doing a proper job of managing bumps and keeping the rear end composed. For braking, you get a front disc brake paired with a rear drum brake. Now, some riders will raise an eyebrow at the rear drum. But in the real world, for a cruiser of this size and purpose, it works perfectly well. The front disc does the heavy lifting, and the combination gives you smooth, predictable stopping power in everyday riding situations. And then there's the seat height, pegged at just 26.8 inches. That is low, genuinely low, which means that for riders who sometimes struggle with confidence at stops, this bike puts both feet firmly on the ground and makes you feel immediately at home. Now, let's talk about what really sets the LT apart from the standard Vulcan 900 Classic, because this is where Kawasaki did something really smart. Instead of making you spend extra money on aftermarket touring accessories, they built them right in, from the factory. First, the windshield. A proper, factory-fitted windshield that takes the fight out of wind fatigue on long highway rides. It deflects the airflow away from your chest and face, so after 2 hours on the motorway, you arrive feeling fresh instead of exhausted. Second, the lockable leather saddlebags. Real leather, real storage, real practicality. Pack your gear, lock them up, and ride. No worrying about leaving them at a fuel stop. No fumbling with straps or bungee cords. Just straightforward, secure storage that's ready to go when you are. Third, the passenger backrest. If you ride 2-up, and let's be honest, a touring cruiser should be ridden 2-up, your passenger is going to thank you for this. The backrest provides real support on longer rides, turning a potentially tiring trip into a genuinely comfortable experience for both of you. And aesthetically, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT is beautiful. Classic full fenders, wide handlebars, rider and passenger floorboards, touring-inspired lines. The kind of timeless cruiser styling that never goes out of fashion, and that Kawasaki has absolutely nailed with this motorcycle. Let's run through the full specification list. Engine, 903 ccv twin, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled. Fuel system, digital fuel injection. DFI. Transmission, 5-speed manual, final drive. Belt, front suspension. Telescopic fork, rear suspension. Uni-Trak hidden shock, front brake, disc. Rear brake, drums. Practical dimensions. And a spec sheet that makes complete sense for a bike built to tour in comfort and style. So what does all of this mean in the real world? It means that on a Saturday morning, when you're loaded up, passenger on the back, hitting the highway for a weekend getaway, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT just works. The windshield keeps you comfortable at speed, the saddlebags carry everything you need, the passenger backrest keeps your co-pilot happy, the belt drive keeps maintenance simple, the low seat height keeps your confidence high, and the smooth V-twin engine keeps you smiling, mile after mile after mile. This is a motorcycle that removes the friction from touring. It doesn't ask you to compromise. It doesn't ask you to add things later. It arrives ready, fully equipped, day one. And for riders who are new to cruisers or who are stepping up from a smaller bike, the approachable ergonomics and confidence-inspiring low center of gravity make this one of the most accessible touring cruisers on the market today. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic LT is not trying to be the fastest bike on the road. It's not trying to be the most aggressive or the most technical. What it is one of the most complete packages in the mid-size cruiser segment. Classic looks, touring comfort, practical features, smooth power, low maintenance, accessible ergonomics, everything a cruiser rider needs for both the daily commute and the long weekend ride, wrapped up in one genuinely beautiful motorcycle. If you've been looking for a cruiser that you can ride every day and tour on without spending extra on accessories, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT deserves to be at the top of your list.